The 2027 Honda Fury Chopper is one of those motorcycles that instantly grabs attention the moment it hits the road. With its stretched front fork, low-slung body, long wheelbase, and classic chopper styling, this bike looks more like a custom garage build than a factory motorcycle. Honda has kept the same old-school chopper DNA alive, but for 2027 the bike feels cleaner, smoother, and more premium than before. From the front, the Fury has that aggressive custom bike presence that cruiser fans absolutely love. The skinny front tire combined with the long rake angle gives the motorcycle a true American chopper vibe. The LED headlight design now looks sharper, and the metallic paint finish gives the bike a premium appearance under sunlight. Chrome accents mixed with blacked-out parts create a perfect balance between classic and modern styling. The riding position is extremely relaxed. You sit very low to the ground with forward-set foot pegs and wide handlebars, making long highway rides feel comfortable and effortless. This is not a bike designed for aggressive cornering or racing. The Fury is built for smooth cruising, relaxed riding, and enjoying every mile on open roads. Powering the 2027 Honda Fury is a 1,312 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-twin engine. The engine delivers strong low-end torque, which means the bike pulls smoothly even at lower RPMs. The throttle response feels predictable and refined, making the motorcycle beginner-friendly for cruiser riders who want something powerful but manageable at the same time. Once you start the engine, the deep V-twin sound immediately gives that classic cruiser feeling. It's smooth during city riding but becomes more exciting on highways. Honda has also improved vibration control, so the engine feels refined even during longer rides. The 5-speed transmission works smoothly, and gear shifts feel soft and precise. The bike performs best on highways where the long wheelbase adds stability and confidence. At higher speeds, the Fury feels planted on the road, and the relaxed riding ergonomics make long-distance touring surprisingly enjoyable. Suspension duties are handled by telescopic front forks and a rear mono-shock setup. The suspension is tuned more toward comfort rather than sporty performance, which suits the character of the motorcycle perfectly. Small bumps and rough roads are handled quite well, although extremely broken roads can still feel a little harsh because of the low-slung design. Braking performance is decent for a cruiser of this size. The bike comes equipped with ABS, which improves rider confidence during sudden braking situations. The fat rear tire also provides excellent road grip and adds to the muscular appearance of the motorcycle. One of the biggest reasons people love the Honda Fury is its unique road presence. In a world full of similar-looking motorcycles, the Fury stands out immediately. It feels rare, premium, and stylish without needing heavy aftermarket modifications. Most people will honestly think this is a fully customized chopper worth much more than it actually is. Technology-wise, Honda has kept things simple and clean. The instrument cluster is minimalistic but easy to read, showing speed, fuel level, trip information, and other basic details. This motorcycle focuses more on riding experience and style rather than overloading riders with complicated electronics. In terms of fuel efficiency, the Fury performs reasonably well for a large V-twin cruiser. Riders can expect decent mileage during highway cruising if ridden smoothly. The fuel tank capacity is also good enough for long rides without frequent fuel stops. Now let's talk about who this motorcycle is really made for. The 2027 Honda Fury is perfect for riders who want a true chopper experience with Honda reliability. If you love attention, relaxed highway cruising, and classic custom bike styling, then this motorcycle is definitely worth considering. But if you want aggressive cornering performance or lightweight city handling, then this may not be the ideal choice. Overall, the 2027 Honda Fury continues to be one of the most unique motorcycles in Honda's lineup. It combines custom chopper styling, smooth V-twin performance, comfortable highway cruising, and dependable Honda engineering into one eye-catching package. This is not just a motorcycle, it's a statement on two wheels.